I had a feeling it would go down now, but I didn't know if it would, because I'm trying to get a side view. Anyway, the time now is 16:55. We're waiting for our 16:56 Southeastern Service from London Charing Cross. To Ramsgate. Well, I've just got to keep an eye on my iPod. The shame it's not further back so I can see that signal, but if the signal was over there. Actually it has to be over there, because otherwise it won't function this properly. And also, I've also had a trip out today, just to help take my dad's car to a place near Chesterfield as well, Cliff. Actually between there and Herne Bear. I've also had a ride out on the train just down there and up to there. And so today I've been to stations and a level crossing. And I've ridden on trains, and of course announcements. I don't know everything I do today. I mean, I film announcements, I film level crossing, I film trains, and I film trains at stations. So technically it's a day where I do everything I do. I did. I've also decided that if I do it this side, I'll probably get good shots. Hard tension. Also hoping the iPod doesn't fall down. Hoping it's on the right way round. What to do in picking the invisible 50,000 men at Sandwich. Well, that's now 3 minutes. So also some services have been delayed because Ramsgate can't put together a bundle of coaches. I mean, they took forever taking a free car, and they took forever having a twist about a train leaving with no dues and coupling a train. And also I'm hoping this SD card's going to last me for a whole entire 4 days that I'm out in Northamptonshire. Right, we've got 375, don't know how many coaches. Well, it's longer than 4. Okay, 8 coach. To Ramsgate. 375702. To 8:15. And up they go. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.